Hi everyone, I am Dr. Shehbaz here. In this video, I will show you two simple methods to find missing values in SPSS. In the first method, we will use the frequency function to quickly identify missing values in our dataset. In the second method, we will use the compute variable function to count missing values across different places. Both methods are easy, practical, and useful for cleaning your data before further analysis. Watch the video until the end because missing values can seriously affect the accuracy of your dataset. If you want to learn SPSS step by step in the easiest possible way, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss the next lesson. Now let us start video. Okay, so we will use the first method to identify how many missing values in our dataset. Okay, we will go to button Analyze, click on Descriptive Statistics, and then click on Frequency. So you will put all variables, select all variables, and put into variable set. Okay, so you can click on mean, median, mode, minimum and maximum value, and standard deviation. Click on continue and click on OK. So in this way you can see there is no missing value in age data, there is no missing value in gender, no missing value in occupation. There are 3 missing values in question 1. There are 2 missing values in question 10. There are 7 missing values in question 11. And as well you can see there is no missing value in question 6. And there is 1 missing value in question 7, 1 missing value in question 8, and 1 missing value in question 9. So this was the first method to identify how many missing values in each survey question. Next method, we are going to find that where are the missing values. So we will use compute variable function to identify where are the missing values. So we will go to transform and click on compute variable. You will put the missing function here, missing bracket, and then you will rename the variable. Like if we find the missing values of from question 1, we will put question 1 missing. Okay, so here is question 1. You will drop this question 1 in numeric expression. Okay, so in this way we will find the where are the missing values in question 1. We will click on OK. Okay, great. So we will come back to dataset, and you can see here the SPSS correctly shows the missing value in our dataset. So you can see question 1, yes, good. There is missing value, and you can see here 1. Okay, now another missing value, yes, this one, and you can see here good. And you can also find if there is any other missing value, yes, third missing value. So it means there were 3 missing values in question 1. If you want to verify the result, you can see the below table where we find that how many missing values. You can see here question 1 there are 3 missing values, and we have successfully identified these 3 missing values. Do the same function for second. Compute question 2 missing value and question 2. Okay, click on OK. Great. And you can find in the data view, you can see here in question 2 there was missing value there. You can see yes, good. There is another missing value in dataset, as you can see in question page. And there is no other missing value in question page. So you can do this for all survey questions. Uh, Please subscribe the channel and wait for the next video where we will replace the missing values through different methods.